So from today onwards, we are going to start the integration concepts. That is how our module is integrated with other modules. Okay. So the is going to integrate with QM, SD, FI, PP, and WM modules. Okay. So we are going to see
Okay.
how our module is integrated with these 5 modules. And this first one is with QM, quality management. So wherever the goods movement takes place, basically there the quality management integration takes place. So for example, you have one material and your movements of goods has been taken place for that material. So movement of the goods means the goods movement takes place from here and there, like goods issues and transfer postings. In all these cases, we can have the quality inspection to check the quality of the material. For example, you have created a purchase order to the vendor. The vendor has sent the material. So once you receive the material, okay, then
Okay.
we'll create a GR. So far you are creating a GR. Then what happened? After creating a GR, the stock is directly going and placing in the unrestricted use stock. Unrestricted use stock means it's a good stock. There is no restriction. Now,
Okay.
when QM is integrated, after creation of GR, first the stock will goes to quality inspection stock. It means at the GR, quality inspection lot will be created. So the quality department people will decide whether they want to accept the lot or reject the lot, and from there the stock moves to good stock, unrestricted use stock. So when we are creating a material master, we will decide. Okay, so we will decide at what stages, at what levels this material has to go for quality inspection. So depending upon that, the material will takes place subjected for quality. So we'll see now. So first configurations is these are done by the QM guys normally. SPRO, IMG QM, basic settings, setting up clients. So first step, transfer QM on standard settings. So we need to activate these steps. That's it. We are not going to maintain at company code level or plan level or anything. Then transfer QM standard settings for quality planning. Then QM tolerance key. Enter. Transfer QM sampling schemes. And transfer QM settings for quality inspection. Then SPRO, IMG, quality management, quality planning, inspection planning, general, assign task list types to material types. Assign task list types to material types. New entries, task list types Q and material type R. So by default it will be there. So entry already exists. If it is not there, we need to maintain. So these are the QM related settings normally done by the QM guys. Now we'll create a material master.
Okay.
Now we'll create a material master. So these are the regular 5 views which select basic data 1, purchasing, storage 1, storage 2. Apart from that, there is a view called quality management to be selected. And you need to practice on 1000 standard settings only. You cannot practice with your own organization structure. I will tell you the reason why it is. In the purchasing view, enter purchasing group, enter, enter. Now we are in quality management view. So here we'll decide at what stages the method should go for quality. Click on inspection setup. Click on inspection types. So here I'll select the inspection types. So 01. 01 means goods received inspection for raw order. So it means after creating the GR for any purchase order, quality inspection should go. So select this and here activate preferred inspection type active and click on inspection type details. Click on inspection type details. So here I'll enter inspection percentage 1%. So 1% means, for example, whenever you receive the stock of the material, the quality department people will not check the total stock of the material. So 1% out of that quantity they will check it.
Okay. By random, they will check 1%.
Yeah. Enter. Again click on inspection setup, inspection types 05. So inspection for other GR without PO. Click on inspection type details. Enter. So totally this material is going to be inspected one when you create a GR with PO and without PO. Next. So first is create a material master. Next create inspection plan. QP01 is a transaction code. QP01. Enter the material plan. Enter the material plan. Enter. So here usage 5. Goods received. Status 4. Released. And from lot size 1. Click on operations. Click on operations and here control key QM01. Enter the description. Press enter. Enter the control key QM01 and description. Select the item and click on inspection characteristics. So here, like how we have master data in MM, in QM also you will have the master data. So here enter the QM master data information, that is master inspection characteristics. We call as a MIC. In our training program 8-103, That is standard. So that's the reason this scenario you need to practice on 1000 settings, not with your organization structure created, because this should be created by the QM guys, not by us. And drag the
Okay.
screen here. If you drag the screen here, there is another option called sampling procedure. So here enter the sampling procedure percentage 10 minus percentage 0. Normally this information you'll get from the QM guys.
Yeah.
In fact, this inspection plan itself is created by QM guys, not by us.
Okay.
Save the plan. Now, as usual, create a PO, create a GR. Create a GR. Item, okay. Save GR. After creating the GR, in the GR scheme, instead of GR, you select option display. Recognize a material document, document number. Enter. In item details, in the quantity tab, it displays quality inspection lot created. See here. If you click on the inspection lot, it will automatically takes to QA03 transaction code. QA03 transaction code is to display inspection lot. Here it displays the inspection lot number, material, inspection type 01, vendor, PO number, GR document. Everything it displays. Even if you click on inspection lot quantities, so you have created a PO for 1000 tons. So sample inspected is 100%. 100 tons. That is 1% of this 1000. So inspection lot is created automatically. Even if you go to stock over MMBE, the stock will displays under quality inspection stock. Previously, after creation of GR, you are able to see stock under unrestricted. Now it is a subjected to quality inspection. Now we need to result the recording. So QE01 results the inspection log. Record the results for the inspection lot. Enter the inspection lot number. Press enter. Save. Done. Record usage decision QA11. Enter the inspection lot number, press enter. In the characteristics tab, you have an option called UD code. UD code means usage decision code. So here you will take the decision to accept it or not. Click on this drop down button. Click on yes. I want to accept, so accept. Accept the quality inspection lot. Click on inspection lot stock. So the stock is still under quality inspection stock. So you move to unrestricted. Move to unrestricted use stock. Say. Then the decision has been saved. Now, if I go to stock overview MMB, the stock automatically moves to unrestricted use stock. This is with PO. Now we'll see without PO. Go to the transaction code MB1C. Moment I find out one plant and solar. Material and quantity. See. Immediately if you go to stock overview, now quality inspection stock is 0. If you refresh, it displays quality inspection stock. So in the background, inspection lot is created. So immediately you can go and see in QA03 inspection lot number, press enter. So here you can see inspection lot number, material, inspection type 05. So here it is material document. The inspection lot quantities, again it displays the sample size. So as usual again, record results. Same. MMB stock overview. So here MB1C, moment I find out one. Then again QE01. Same. Then again record usage decision QE11. Inspection lot number, press enter. In the inspection characteristics, select the accept. In the inspection lot stock, enter the inspection. Save. If you go to stock or if you refresh, this quality stock automatically moves to unrestricted use stock. So like this, the integration between MM with QM takes place. Okay, so after Q11, you can go and see stock MMB. So one is during inspection lot at the time of creation of GR with reference to PO, another is without PO. So first, you need to maintain the master data settings related to QM. Then we need to create a material master subjected with quality management view. Then what are the inspection types, at what level the material should go for quality inspection. Then it will goes to quality inspection lot the moment you create a PO and GR. Then we'll record the results for the quality inspection lot. Then decision will be taken whether you want to accept the lot or reject the lot. Then the stock is moved from quality to good stock.
Okay.
Next, integration is with SD, sales and distribution module. These two modules integration takes place in the following scenarios. One is during third party processing and another is STO, stock transport order. Third party processing we have seen under special stocks and special procurement types. Now we are going to see STO, stock transport order. It is a method or a process of removal of the stock of the material from the supplying plant and transferring the stock of the material to the receiving plant. And this SEO process is performed in two ways. One is intra-company STO that takes place under one company code between two plants. And second one is inter or cross company STO that takes place under two company codes between two plants. Between two company codes and between two plants. So here a lot of SD settings to be performed. SPRO. So this you can practice on your own organization structure. Only QM integration you cannot. SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, SD, that is sales and distribution, define copy delete check sales organization. Define sales organization. It's like our purchasing department like. Select the sales organization 1000, click on copy as. For example, I create as a 2001. Save. And dispatching the goods to the customer because a distribution channel. So define distribution channel. Select the distribution channel 10. Copy as. I'm creating as a 21. Maintain sales office. Select the sales office 1000. Click on copy as. I create as 2111. Maintain sales group. It is similar to our purchasing group. Select the sales group 100. Click on copy as. I'm creating as a 211. It's just an example, guys. You can define whatever the parameter you want. Under definition, logistic general, define copy delete check division. Define division. Select the division 00, standard one. So click on copy as. I'm creating as a 22. Save. Definition, logistics execution, define copy delete check shipping point. Define shipping point. Select the shipping point 1000. Click on copy. For example, I create a 2S00. So these are comes under definition. Beside that you have assignment, sales and distribution, assign sales organs to company code. So all these are done by the SDKs, guys, in the real time, not by us. Assign sales organs to company code. So select your sales organization what you created exactly. Beside that, you enter the company code. What are the company code you have created? Say, assign distribution channel to sales organization. New entries. Sales organization created 2001 and distribution channel 21. Say, assign division to sales organization. New entries. And sales area is a combination of one sales organization, one distribution channel, one division. So set up sales area, new entries, sales organization, distribution channel, division. Assign sales office to sales area. Assign sales office to sales area. New entries, sales office, DC, division, sales organization, DC, division and sales office. Say, assign sales group to sales office. New entries, sales office and sales group. Press enter and save. Assign sales organization, distribution channel, plant. Click on new entrance. Enter the sales organization, distribution channel. One plant is 2011. Sales organization, distribution channel. Another plant is 2012. Press enter and save. Then in assignment, logistics execution, assign shipping point to plant. Assign shipping point to plant. So here my plants are 2011 plant. So here double click on 2011 plant. So system displays list of shipping points. So here you select your shipping point 2S00. Then again double click on another plant 2012. System displays list of shipping points. Select a shipping. For the two plants you need to assign the shipping point. This comes under definition and assignment. In SPRO, IMG, SD, master data, define common distribution channels. So here make sure that to your sales organization and distribution channel whether common distribution channel is maintained or not for conditions and for customer and material. So here it's maintained. It's common. If not, so we need to maintain over here. And define common divisions. So even this one also it's same. Whether division is maintained commonly or not. Just make sure that. IMG, logistics execution, shipping, basic shipping functions, shipping point and goods shipping point determination, Define shipping conditions. If you want to create, we can create, or else we'll use the standard shipping conditions 0, 1. Shipping conditions are as soon as possible. How you are going to load the material? So define loading groups, either through crane or forklift or manual. So I want to move the stock through crane, so I'll select crane. Now, assign shipping points, new entries. First column is shipping condition 0, 1. Second column loading group 201. One plant is 2011. Proposed shipping point, manual shipping point. In the similar manner, shipping condition, loading group, another plant, proposed shipping point, and manual shipping point. For two plants, you need to assign. Same. Same. Now create a customer master record, XD01 transaction code. Like how we create a vendor master, the SD people will create a customer master. Here we'll select the account group 201. Enter the company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division. Press enter. So here you enter the customer name. So here just we are creating a dummy customer. Normally it's not required. Click on company code data. This reconciliation account is standard 140000 and sort key 001. Like how we maintain the reconciliation account in the vendor master, in the same way the customer master we need to maintain for the customer. Payment transactions, immediately payment 201. Click on sales area data. In the sales tab, sales district, your sales office and sales group. Shipping tab, deliver priority. I need to have high priority. Enter your created shipping condition and which plant is the supplying plant. It is 2011 I am taking as a supply. In the billing documents, so all these are standard parameters. Tax classification 0. Save. So customer is created now. So I'll tell you why we need to create a customer. 610665 has been created. Now again we'll go to configure settings. SPRO, IMG, purchasing, purchase order, set up stock transport order. Under this first one, define shipping data for plans. Define shipping data for plans. So here select the supplying plant 2011, click on details. For supplying plant you maintain only sales organization, distribution channel and division only. No need to enter the customer number. Same for the supplying plant. Now you select the receiving plant, click on details. So here receiving plant is a customer to supplying plant, therefore enter the customer number only. Receiving plant is a customer to supplying plant, therefore enter the customer number only. Same. So here all these steps are common for both intra and intercompany methods up to here. From the next step onwards, it will changes. So create checking rule. By default, these parameters will be there, but we have to know which parameter is for which method. So checking rule B SD delivery. This is for inter or cross company STO. This is for inter or cross company STO. Next, RP replenishment. This is for inter. This is for intra company STO. RP replenishment. This is for intra company STO. Next, define checking rule. So here availability check 01 and checking rule B. This is for inter or cross company STO, and availability check 01 and RP. This is for intra company STO. So system will check the availability of the material. That is the functionality of the availability check. Next, assign delivery type and checking rule. New entries, document type UB, supplying plant, for supplying plant delivery type, checking rule RP. Document type UB, for receiving plant, no need to enter the delivery type check. These two settings are for intra company STO, and the next settings are for inter or cross company STO. The first two are for intra company STO, the next two are for inter or cross company STO. Save. Next, assign document type, one step procedure under delivery tolerance. Click on new entries. So first column supplying plant, second column receiving plant, document type UV. If you activate, it become one step. If you don't activate, two-step process. Supplying plant, receiving plant, document type NV. The first one is for intra and second is for enter. If you activate one step, what happens? Immediately the stock reduces in the supplying plant and increases at the receiving plant. Suppose if you don't activate it, it becomes two-step process. So in two-step process, what happens? First, the stock will reduce in supplying plant, then the receiving plant creates GR, then it will update the stock in the receiving. Now we'll see the steps to perform STO. So we are performing for intra-company STO two-step process. So create a material master. The extra views we need to select is sales views. Plant, store location, sales organization, distribution. Enter. In the sales organization 1, enter the division, delivering plant, and tax classification 0. In sales organization 2, all these 5 parameters are standard. Material statistic group and pricing group, account assignment group, item category group and item category. In sales gender point, availability check 01, transportation group, no. In the purchasing group, enter purchasing group. As it is a finished material, enter the valuation class 7920, price control, price. The same material we need to extend to another plant. Now maintain the stock in the supplying plant. So maintain the stock in the supplying plant. So go to the transaction code MB1C, moment F501, plant and solution. Enter. Metal and quantity. Save. Yeah, finally you maintain the stock. Now create stock transport order MB21N. Here you select the option stock transfer order. So instead of the vendor, you will get supplying plant 2011, purchasing group, purchasing organization, purchasing group and company code. In item overview, material, quantity, receiving plant is 2012 and 20. So here supplying plant is 2011. In item overview, receiving plant is 2012. Enter. Now if you go to item details, you need to get the shipping tab where it displays all your shipping information, in the sense your created sales organization, distribution channel, division, customer number, the delivery date, your loading group, transportation group, shipping condition, your shipping point, delivery type, everything it displays the shipping related information. And note down the delivery date. Say. Now with reference to STO, create delivery in background. VL10B. Enter the shipping point. Deliver creation date. Execute. Select the line item and click on create background. Click on background, that is create delivery in background. The system displays another line item where sales delivery is created. See here now. Select the line item, click on details. So document is created. That is delivery number. You take down the delivery number. You go to the transaction code VL02N. So first is we create a material master. Then we have maintain the stock in the supplying plan. Create stock transporter. Then we got delivery. We are going to pick the stock. Post goods issue VL0. Enter the created delivery number. Click on picking tab. Enter the receiving store location and pick quantity. Enter. If you click on goods movement data, it displays the moment type. Click on post goods issue. And here also you can see total goods purchase is not yet started. If it is a one-step process, by doing this step, in both ends, the stock updates. In one case increases, in another case decreases. But in this case, if we go to stock overview, as we are following the two-step process, the stock reduces in the supplying plant and displays under on order stock at the receiving plant. See here, the stock displays under on order stock at the receiving plant. If it is a one-step process, automatic updates here after this step. Now it is two-step process, therefore receiving plant creates GR to receive the material. Receiving plant creates GR to receive the material. So item okay. So again, if you go to stock or if you refresh, the on order stock will automatically update in the receive. So like this, STO process takes place. So after doing VL0 to N, monitor the stock overview. If it is one-step process, up to here it will ends. If it is two-step process, again you create a GR, again you monitor stock. So this is how it takes place, the transferring the stock from one plant to another plant. So tomorrow we'll see the integration in another model. So we'll start with integration with FI, financial model.